There are a couple of things that are good in a way that could help us not see so much severe weather. For example, it's happening at night instead of the hot afternoon or warmer afternoon when we have more instability. But still, it looks like with the setup, we are going to be looking at the potential at least for some damaging wind gusts and possibly a few tornadoes. This is the tornado threat index looking specifically at tornadoes for tomorrow. And you can see that we're at the level 3 out of 5. And the hatched area is where a strong tornado is possible, meaning EF2 or greater. That would be winds of more than 110 miles per hour with any tornadoes. And they could also be one of those kind of long track tornadoes where it stays on the ground for longer than usual. So definitely something to take seriously for tomorrow evening and night. But as I was saying, our satellite and radar are looking really fine right now for us. We have this dry air in the oranges and reds. This is the mid-levels of the atmosphere, our water vapor imagery. This gray and black is where you're seeing more moisture. And look at this very evident swirl over here in the southwest of the U.S. This low is going to swing to the south and then up to the northeast. And we will be in really an area that is expecting the strongest showers and storms with the line of rain as it moves over us, and a surface low also moves right over us. So quickly right now, we have a beautiful day today. No problems on our Monday for weather. Temperatures right now in the 50s, and here are winds from the northeast up to 12 or 15 miles per hour. So today looking really nice. Our highs middle to maybe upper 50s, lots of sun, staying cool through the day, and then into tonight we will have our lows in the 40s, and then we'll be looking for tomorrow. We'll be looking for the showers and storms in the second part of the day. So lows tonight mainly 40s. Tomorrow we'll get up to close to 70 by the end of the day. And here's our planner with that rain chance increasing for the evening and into the night. So let me show you with precision cast so you can make your plans and get an idea ahead of tomorrow. This is overnight into Tuesday morning. The morning looking quiet. We have a few clouds. It will start to get windy with southeast and east winds increasing. So it'll be one of those warm, unsettled, windy kind of days as temperatures get into the 60s. And then by 5 p.m. you can see why we have a chance for rain during the day. Here is that warm air surging to the north though, and here is the line that may really condense just out to the west of us and form that familiar linear structure like a squall line. 9 p.m. it may still be just about to get into our area. So right now for timing, although it could change a little, is looking like after 9 it starts to move in, with the worst of it maybe around 11 to midnight or 1 a.m. for Tuesday night into very early Wednesday. Now this model has it kind of thin and moving fast, so we will see how it does shape up, but it does look like as we move through the night and into Wednesday morning, we're looking quiet and cooler as well as windy on Wednesday with some clouds. Now, as for the individual threats, the damaging winds and tornado potential will be probably the biggest things we're looking for. There's a lower flooding threat, as you saw. If we just get a thin line moving in and out, we likely wouldn't have big flooding threats, and also the hail threat will be a lot lower. This is our rain forecast with this event. You can see anywhere from a ½ inch to maybe 1 or 2 inches. We'll have to watch the rain, but again, if it does move pretty fast, then that's what we would be looking for. I'll get to your timeline in just a second, or have a little block timeline for tomorrow's day parts coming up at the end of the newscast. But our 7-day forecast, you can see, does bring cooler and sunny weather for the end of the week.